Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Bluetooth is not available on this device Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Devices. Click More Bluetooth Settings, check Allow Bluetooth device to find this PC, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, update all devices under Bluetooth one by one. Fifth method is open any browser. Type manufacturer name of Bluetooth device. Click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.